All right, so we're gonna go through the trench that we have to dig in order to put all these, in order to lay all this line of new PVC for the sewer of this rental. This is huge, probably the longest and deepest trench that we have had to dig in order to lay the pipe for a rental. I just thought that it was gonna be cool to go through the trench from the street where the pipes are connected to the city all the way to the house. I don't think I can go through now, but there you go. This is how this is going. Yeah, that's a good plumbing being done.